Studios, and with me is the great Akshay Kumar. Welcome to the studio.
Well, thank you very
like the
much.
place?
I love the place, the way you have made it. It is something very unusual, very open. And I like this whole thing you explained me about
Like-
these circles,
yeah.
and there's another circle, then there's another circle.
Yes. And there's the digital circle, then the news circle.
And you've kept youngsters with yourself,
Yes,
completely surrounded with
Yes.
young minds around
absolutely. The only person skewing the age age average is me.
you. Maybe I think so, a little bit above you.
Well, Akshay, it's great to have you here.
Thank you very much.
First, I would just, everyone, the nation wants to know, Akshay. We've had this episode of Varnika in Chandigarh, where a young woman is stalked, she's chased by a politician's son, she's harassed, and worst of all, there's victim shaming that's happening here. Because the first thing what happens is when a woman complains, you ask, should you be with men? Should you have a drink? Should you drive out at night alone? What do you think about this, Akshay?
I don't know whether you've seen my today. Actually, you're asking me this question. I posted a video
Yeah.
about me and my sister, where my sister talks about today being Raksha Bandhan,
Yeah.
and she talks about how she wanted to go out, and I used to always tell her, if you want to go out, you go out on your own.
Yeah.
I mean, say, and apna
Why did you say that?
अपना ध्यान खुद रख अपना ध्यान खुद रख because I believe a woman should not be told we should not take care of them, they should be empowered.
I agree.
So they should be empowered. So I am running schools of martial arts also, where I'm teaching women to do self-defense.
Yeah.
I'm very proud to say that I've finished about 10,000 women. I've taught them self-defense free of cost.
You were telling me that you do a martial arts class for women.
Yeah.
And when you were doing your class today, you were speaking to some of your students about this incident.
That was yesterday. Yeah, because
What did you say to them?
Oh, well, I was telling them what she has written about it, what she's said about it. Exact words, I don't have it at the moment,
Yeah.
but I remember something like that if you feel that you are in danger, call up the police, call up your parents, call up your friends, move fast, run, use something from there, pick up something, a brick, a stone, anything, scream loudly. Well, this is exactly what I teach them in self-defense also. Because what happens when a woman is attacked by a man? She freezes. That's the biggest mistake she does. She just freezes. Because she cannot figure out or come to the point that why is this man trying to touch me
Yeah.
in the wrong place?
Yeah.
So what happens? She just freezes, and that is the time when a man take advantage.
Yeah.
Actually, he's more scared of her.
Yeah.
But if a woman screams,
Yeah.
trust me, it is not possible for a man to attack her. It is not possible.
Yeah.
All you have to do is just scream, run loudly, move your limbs. Don't just for God's sake freeze. That's it.
Yeah. No, I think Varnika was very brave.
She is.
And anything you'd like to say to her in case she's watching this?
Well,
From
I
Akshay
would,
Kumar to Varnika.
well, first
and
of
for
all-
of others who felt a bit inspired by her today because she's fought back. But a lot of people are also asking themselves, it's interesting right here, Akshay, at this moment. We've asked this question on our Republic World, and we've said, have you been stalked? Have you been chased? Have you been followed? And we are getting a response which is disproportionate to our own expectations.
I know.
We cannot believe, not just that, but it also tells you that women are not embarrassed to come out and say they've been chased, they've been stalked, they've been followed. People are speaking up.
Yeah, yesterday was my graduation day, where I call all these girls and give them their certificates and all, where I even make them come up on stage and talk about their experiences.
Yeah.
And you will be shocked. Even I was shocked that a girl comes out and talks about how she was molested.
Wow.
And how she is this thing and everything, and she just speaks about it, about her friends.
Yeah.
And she says now she cares a damn, and this has happened to her when she was 11 years old.
Yeah. Akshay, I believe in the domino effect. I think that whenever people tell us what makes you decide to do this story or that, when you sit down, I always say, pick up one story which will set an example for others. And I've seen this domino effect happen.
It does.
So I feel the story like Varnika's will encourage so many other people to come out, and your coming out and saying this will have another viral effect. So I think there is that impact, isn't it?
Well, I don't know, I will tell you, once give me a little time of yourself and come to these classes. I teach...
You want to teach me martial arts?
No, I don't want to teach you because it's only for women, not for men. So this is these classes. Uh, I actually teach them not in a tracksuit or anything. I teach them in a whatever things they wear when they go to work. If you're wearing a sari,
Right.
they come for training in a sari.
Oh, that's good.
If they're wearing heels, they will come in heels. And I have to teach them how to defend themselves with what attire they are in. So please, I would request you, wherever you find time, please come. I'll be very happy to see
I will
them.
come. I will come. Now I have a few questions for you.
Go ahead.
Should I do a rapid fire with you?
I was waiting for that.
Rapid fire with the great Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar, be honest, be straight, be politically incorrect, be bindas. Because, I've known you to be bindas. If you're going to be KG, we're not going to do this.
No, I am going to be. See, I'm a very diplomatic person.
No, you can't.
No, that is me. That is me. It is my interview. I mean, say this is. I'm supposed to be. I never want to hurt anybody because मेरे को बचपन से सिखाया हुआ है. जिसके घर शीशे के होते हैं वो दूसरों पे.
Female actor. Can a 50-year-old female actor ever in Bollywood romance a 25-year-old male actor? I'm just asking you this question because it is being spoken about right now. Can you reverse the universe, or is there a bit of chauvinism that exists there in Bollywood?
I don't think so. There is any problem with that. I don't see any problem.
There's a stereotype, no? We are stuck in 2017 with this stereotype.
Well, no, ऐसा नहीं मैं बोलूँगा कि नहीं हुआ है. It has happened also. There are cases where it has just been the opposite side. I mean, without taking names, but I know that. I mean, say there's a 45-year-old girl romancing a 26-year-old hero. So ऐसा होता है. Maybe, but rare. Yes, you're right. But
Is there a stereotype?
is there a stereotype? Yeah, there is a little bit. Yes. Yeah.
Question number 2. Why are male actors paid so much more than female actors in Bollywood? Do you feel they contribute less to the economy of the film industry? Because it's obvious. No, I've been thinking about this for the longest.
But things have changed.
Not much.
Yes, it has.
Kitna?
Please, I mean, say, now I know heroines. I mean, say when there was a time when there was only about it had reached about 50 lakhs, 75 lakhs, 1 crore maximum.
Yeah.
Now it has come to 11 crores, 14 crores. So things are changing and rapidly changing.
But what has been the logic behind the gap?
I have no idea, never, because when I joined the industry also, I also knew the same thing, only कि hero को पैसे ज़्यादा मिलते हैं, heroine को थोड़े कम मिलते हैं. But it has, now what I see, what I used to see earlier, what I see now, it has changed a lot and things are moving very rapidly.
Third question here. Are there two clubs in Bollywood? There is a pseudo-liberal club, pseudo-liberal, pseudo-secular club, and then there is a, what I would call a nationalistic club. It is there. Why has this happened? Why has this happened? Come on now, Akshay, this is the question. You got to look at that camera and answer the question.
I can look at anybody and answer the question, but that is not my problem.
Tell me.
So, first of all, about this pseudo thing, I think this pseudo thing, too many, the intellectual thing,
Yes, bolo.
happening because शायद काम थोड़ा कम होता है लोगों के पास and things, I mean, say they move it in a very different way, but then there are other people also, they work in a different way. So, what was your last question?
My question is, are there two clubs in Bollywood? A pseudo club and a nationalistic club. There are two clubs in Bollywood. What's your take on it? Now you're thinking so hard.
I'm just thinking. I mean,
Don't think.
I have to think because I have to see which clubs are you talking about, because I never referred myself to any club. I never gone into any kind of camps also. First of all, I hate camps. So I don't know which. For me, it is just like how you were talking to me earlier. If the nation comes first,
Yeah.
there's nothing else beside that. And I don't care. I mean, say if there's any kind of clubs also,
Yeah.
because I have my own thinking. I believe in my own way. My father was from army, and I have that thing kind of thinking only.
We spoke about it.
So that is the most important thing for me. But
Like we say, nation first, no compromise. That's our line.
that should be everybody's life. That should be everybody's life, because that is what it is. And that is how the nation proceeds ahead and faster, and economy increases faster. So I think I would believe that what I am, the way I am, and no, I have never even tried to find out about this intellectual kind of thing. I think there are some intellectual people who actually give a lot to a nation also. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें से they just think in a different way. So I've come out.
You played safe a bit. you played safe. Akshay Kumar, you're playing safe. Unlike you, yeah. Unlike you.
Unlike no.
No, that's not how you are in your movies.
But I am.
Kyun?
Like
Why are you
this.
playing safe?
But
Play safe करना पड़ता है. You admit it.
I have to say one thing. I mean, say when you told me, Akshay, it is your interview. So it is going to be about me and my thinking of what I think how people should be.
So when you know, I feel that Bollywood doesn't take a stand. Like when Madhur Bhandakar's film, let me give you an example, is being opposed because it's the emergency. I would have expected all of Bollywood to come out and take a stand. Take a stand. After all, he's a filmmaker. You can't say you're pro-BJP, anti-BJP, whatever you are, he's making a film. Come out and support him. When this Sana Fatima Sheikh was trolled very badly online for wearing a swimsuit during Ramzan, Bollywood's A-list did not come out in support. I think these are the times when Bollywood's A-list, simply because of the clout you have over people, should come out and take a stand.
See, I completely agree. The unity in my industry is very less.
Why?
Why? Because I think, I mean, say everybody is happy being in their own space and being in their own place and not to give out any kind of a statement or something, because with the statement comes again lot of things behind it. Then again there are more other things. See, you are running a channel. You ought to say this because that is what the channel does. With the industry, yes, there are some people who support if they think that is right.
Yeah.
So, but I think there are a lot of problems which happens when people say something. Because
Why?
there are
Like
some
what?
parties which come ahead, then there are कोई बाहर धरना रख देता है, then आपकी फिल्म बैन हो जाती है, then
तो क्या होगा?
सीटें फट जाती हैं,
क्या होगा?
फिर आपकी
आप सड़कों पे निकल के लोगों का सपोर्ट लीजिए.
सड़कों पे ले तो वो लोग भी तो सपोर्ट करने चाहिए ना.
लोग भी support करेंगे ना.
नहीं लोग भी तो डिवाइड हो जाते हैं.
मुझे नहीं लगता लोग डिवाइड होंगे.
100% not.
People will be with what is right.
No, people will be with what is right, but what we think is right is right. But what others think, they don't think it is right. So yes, you have to be very careful. You have to understand what it is, how it is, क्यों बोल रहा है, and you have to answer it. And not that I have not supported.
Do you think nepotism rocks?
Nepotism rocks now. This is.
अब इसमें तो go on. You're a self-made guy. I've spoken to you about this before.
No, you've not spoken.
No, I have spoken to you
About nepotism.
Does the word nepotism get you scared now? No. But tell me one thing. Does nepotism rock? Akshay Kumar, say it. You are a self-made man. You have a right to say it because there are lots of people who feel that it rocks.
Explain me what exactly do you want to say with nepotism rocks?
No, I don't want to say anything.
No, I just want to know what you want to.
I think nepotism sucks. I don't think nepotism rocks. But I want to know what you think.
You think, I mean, say, actor's son. What exactly just...
I mean, if you stand up there on a stage and you say nepotism rocks, that means essentially you're saying that, yeah, it's great to be somebody